We head to Western Queensland on an Easter bus trip to Lighning Ridge. Lighning Ridge is situated near the southern border of Queensland, about 6 kilometres east of the Castlereagh Highway. The Lighning Ridge area is a world-renowned centre of the mining of black opals and other opal gemstones. With fellow Youth Hostel Association members, we set up camp at the local caravan park. The traditional owners of the land around Lighning Ridge are the Yawa Lore people. The town currently has a population of 2,284. It is a hot and dry place. Throughout the year, maximum temperatures range from 27.2 to 48.5. First night at camp, we sit around the fire, telling stories and singing songs. Next morning, we use that same fire to cook pancakes for breakfast. The Bottle House Mining Museum, built by German-born Australian artist Tex Mocker. He built it for his wife Nola. Beautiful examples of the local gem. We visit some of the mines, looking at some of the different methods used by the miners. Some of us get opal fever and madly fossick amongst the mullock heaps. We go down one of the many shafts that litter the area. There are specially trained rescue groups to extract people who fall down these shafts. The Lightning Ridge Race Club Easter Racing Carnival. This first occurred back in 1922, a once-a-year day for the district. On the way home, we make one stop to the Satellite Communications Centre at Narrabri, New South Wales.